Hi, this is Dr. Courtney Little, the audiologist at Family Hearing Services, and today I'm going to talk about a question I hear about often, and that is, when should I get a hearing test? And also, why is it important to even get a hearing test? And really, anybody over the age of 50 should at least get a baseline test. Usually around that time, hearing loss from aging, noise exposure may already be showing up, but come in sooner, certainly, if you are noticing anything like difficulty hearing and background noise, especially like a restaurant situation. If you feel like people are mumbling more often, or that people's voices are lower or faster than you remember them being. If people are telling you that you're asking what a lot or asking for repetitions, that's a big sign. Increasing the volume on the TV and also turning captioning on more frequently, especially for dialogue. Those are all things that would be good reasons to come in and have a hearing test regardless of how old you are. And the good thing is a hearing test is very, very easy. It usually takes less than 30 minutes. It is totally painless, and you will be able to get a nice clear baseline of what your hearing is, and we'll be able to determine if the hearing is good or if there is anything to look out for or that needs intervention. But having a baseline hearing test is a great idea at any age, and it's really important for us to stay connected with everybody. So if you or a family member or a friend feels that they have any hearing loss, or they just have never had a test before, please bring them in and encourage them to make a hearing test. Always good to know where you're at. Go ahead and call us or email to schedule an appointment. Thank you. Bye-bye.